Hi everyone, welcome back at Academic. Last video we will discuss Hotstar application deployment, and this video we will deploy Swiggy application. If you are watching the first time this YouTube channel, subscribe. This is our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Last video we will discuss about Hotstar deployment without securities, but this project we will add security layers. Add security layers and everything I will explain before architecture. And I deployed 11 microservices project also. If you did done, you can go do this project. After that, you can come to this project. And my every project will be same method, and I will adding one more one more steps in upcoming projects, right? Today I will add every security layers, dev security layers. Now I will explain the architecture. If you're watching the first time in my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel. And this is the medium blog. I written the blog and I will give the blog link also in the description. Okay, I will explain the architecture. This is the our architecture. Today we will deploying. Developers push the code in the GitHub. See, this is the my code. This is the Swiggy application code. Developers already pushed the code in the GitHub. Now I will create EPC and EC2 instance, and in that EPC EC2 instance, I'll install Jenkins and I will run the pipeline with opacity scan, dependency checkings, and SonarQube code quality test and Trivy. It image file system scan, and it will build the Docker image, and after that it will push the Docker image to the AWS ECR repository. If it is pushed, again that pipeline will go to the GitHub. It latest image it will update in the GitHub. After that, if update will be imaged, it automatically ArgoCD it will triggered, and Kubernetes it will triggered, and it will latest application we will get it, and we will monitor the everything. If anything, it's whole pipeline. If it is failed or success, we will get the notification in the mail. This is the entire full stack application. Okay, last video, I just sample applications when I didn't added SonarCube and I didn't added the OBS scan, we and doc. This many things I didn't added last project, because if you understood the previous video, you will get easy to understood this video. That's why if you're not done this hoster application, please go there and this project and come back to this project, because this project lot many things I explained with step by step. But in this project, if you do this project, I will go through the direct steps in this project, because if you're not done this project, in this project can little bit difficult understood the project levels, because same project is, but this project is faster, that project is Swiggy. That is the only different, but everything is same. But go and do this project and come back to this project, because some steps I will tell direct steps, because in this project I will explain with in detail. Okay, now let us go through the process. Okay, now I clone the repository and I will configure the AWS keys. That's why we need one AWS account. I have already AWS account. Now I will be create IAM role. I'll create one IAM role and I configure the role. Okay, I will create a new user. My last user is it's deleted. Okay. Attach permissions directly. I will give the administration full access. And next, create user. Now open this user and go to the security credentials, and here down access key, create access key, select CLI method and confirm, and next and leave it default. And this is the access can is go to the VS Code. This is my I already cloned the repository. Now you just do the AWS configure. Yeah, you can just copy paste it. My region is US East one because my entire pipeline I written in the US East one. That's why I will choose US East one. And format output is table. If you want the JSON means you can type JSON. It's everything set up, paste done. Now we can go to the S3 bucket folders. The S3 bucket folder. First I will deploy. After that I will explain the code. Yeah, main. Okay, I hope you got the clarity why I am deploying the S3 buckets because I'm deploying one is Swiggy one, one is Swiggy 222 because this Swiggy 111 this is the entire VPC setups and EC2 instance. This Terraform file it will be stored here, and Swiggy 222 it will in this bucket store the ECR Terraform state file setup and EKS Terraform state file setup entirely it will be stored here. That's why I'm creating two buckets. Now Terraform init it will install the all plugins. These are my variables. And see, this application I am deploying entirely in the development only, not in production level. Okay, okay. The plugins it will be take time to install the plugins. That's why. Yeah, plugins is done. Now Terraform plan. It will plan. It will if the an errors is there. Now it will check it. Now if no errors means it will now Terraform apply. Apply auto approve. Because why I'm auto approve means if Terraform apply if I type. So after some time, it will ask type S. I don't want to type S. That's why I given the auto operator permission. Mm. Yeah, it's creating the buckets. Now you can simply go and check it. AWS S3. Right. Yeah, two buckets is created. Yeah, it's done. Now, hold on. Okay. Now go to the Terraform main.ec2. Oh, sorry. Terraform in it. Now I'll explain uh, code. Before that, I have to change things. One is it's done. Last video I US is already created, and now I want to change this one. That's why I have to go to EC2. Last video I created a key pair also. If you don't know means you can go and check that key pair last video. Get it. This because of this the part two of the deployment, because last video I didn't deploy the security layers, because if I have deployed means you'll get some confusion. That's why my videos will be all step by step only. My key pair. Yeah. Now Terraform plan. Now I will explain the code one more time. Okay. Terraform apply. Okay. See, I'm creating one IAM role for my EC2 instance. That IAM role is h1 dot profile, h1 dot profile, and I'm creating IAM policy. Right. First, I will explain the VPC. Okay. I'm AWS VPC. I'm creating with um 10.0.0.0 dot 16. It's a CITR block number, and I am creating one internet gateway, and I have one public subnet, two public subnets and two private subnets. I am creating. One is the root table I am creating. In the root table, I am assigning this one private root table and public root tables I am creating, and one of security layers I am creating. The security layers I am allowing the port number 22, port number 80, port number 4430, port number 8080, port number 900, and this is the Grafana and Prometheus port numbers also I am allowing the port numbers also. And everything is done. Now I okay. Uh, the Terraform state file, it will be stored in a Swiggy triple one. In I'm installing, creating one EC2 instance, attaching the IAM role in the variable instance ID and key pair. I already created in last video, same key pair only I am using. I'm using the public segment, this one, and security group. I am allowing the whatever I explained it before now, and I am attaching the IAM policy. That policy is h1 dot profile, and I am installing in tools. Like what tools I am installing means I'm updating, installing the Git, installing the Java, npm, Jenkins, Terraform, Maven, Ansible, Kubernetes, everything. I'm Helm charts, Docker Compost, SonarQube, Trivy, Vault, and MongoDB. It's some users, but I'm installing AWS CLI and ArgoCD and Prometheus and Grafana, but it will not install because of Kubernetes is not there. That's why it is not installed. Kubernetes after that we can again one time we have to install. That's why we can leave it. It will be failed if I install. So is the IAM role I am attaching. See, I am attaching the administration access in that EC2 instance, EC2 full access, EC2 K Kubernetes clusters, worker nodes, everything I am allowing, and IMS full access also I am giving. Now entirely it's done. Now no need to do anything and simply go and just refresh. You will get one EC2 instance. Huh? Yeah, this one. So if you want to connect directly in the browser, you can connect here, but I want to connect it outside AWS in Mobextom. That's why I'm copying this one. I'm opening my Mobextom. I want to check where is my key pair is there. Last video I downloaded my key pair, right? Yeah, this is my key pair in the downloads folder is there. Okay, I'm just starting. Okay, CD. But something keyboard is not working. Just replacing this one. Okay, it's done. Again, I will copy one more time. Oh shit. Yeah, like 1 minute. But last time I connected in the browser only, but this time I connected in on my backstone. It's connected. I'm shifting the root user. Okay, now I want to just check it's installed or not. Jenkins. See, Jenkins is installed, but in the same time only Kubernetes is also installed, right? I want to just check it. mm, EKS Kubernetes also it's installed, and I want to check Helm charts it's installed or not. Yeah, Helm charts also it's installed. Everything it's installed. Mobile. Now we can go and check the. Now I want to check the Docker PS. Yeah, SonarQube also it's running, but SonarQube port number is 9000. Now I will first go and we will connect the first in Jenkins. After that we can connect SonarQube. Port number is 8080. Make sure you have to need to remember the port numbers because the interview there will definitely ask what is the Jenkins port number, everything. And copy this one. Okay, next CD. Oh, sorry, cat. Forgot it. Yeah, this is the password. Copy properly. Install suggestion plugins. It will install default plugins like pipeline, gate, and mail extender, SSH, build agents. It will be installed default. And remaining, we want to install lot many plugins we have to install because of this. Is a, now I am creating lot many security layers, and that's why we have to install lot many plugins. I will show you how many plugins we have to install. Okay, password. Now we will install some plugins. Go to the settings. Here, there's the plugins is there. Go to the plugins. If you see in last video, we will install only one plugin only. That is the pipeline stage view. But now we want to install lot many plugins. That's why go to the availability plugins. Yeah, now here you want to pipeline stage view. Okay, and next SonarQube, SonarQube scanner, and there. There's this plugin. Yeah, here is there. This is the JDK plugin. And next, I want to install Maven also. Maven plugin. What is why spelling mistake? MAVEN. Yeah, install Maven. Now Node.js because my application is Node.js, right? Yeah, Node.js. And next, what plugins we will install? We install Docker. Docker and install Docker Compose, Docker Pipeline, Docker API also we will install. And next we install Kubernetes. Kubernetes credentials will install Kubernetes CLI and this one, and after that we will install Amazon ECR. Yeah, Amazon ECR. Yeah, Amazon ECR it's installed now. config file also we have to install. Okay, and net opacity dependency checkup also we will install. Opacity dependency checkup. Because see, this will be dependency checkup. It will be check all dependencies, and it will be take minimum 45 minutes. And this process will be entirely. It will take 45 minutes. Not installing. It will be once the pipeline will be run, it will take 45 minutes. If you don't want to do this one, I can, whenever I am deploying the pipeline, at that time I will tell you this step. If you want to skip means you can also can skip. If you want to check entire dependency means you want to install this one. Opacity scan, it's done. Now email, it's the main important. Okay, email is done. Now Prometheus metrics also we will install, because Prometheus metrics it will be get the dashboard and right now it's everything installed. Now click simple install. Okay, now we'll go. Port number is 9000. This is the SonarQube. By default admin is an admin, and simple login. Okay, and old password and new password. Yeah, SonarQube. It's successfully we installed. Okay, now let's wait for the plugins installing. Once it is done, yeah. Now restart. Hmm. Okay. See, navigate to administration, and here there is a security is there. Yeah, here we will create the user. Okay, we will create one token here. Just create a token, or we will go for directly. Okay, create a new user. We will create the new user. Wait, once it is done means we'll check it once this one. Okay, now we will go back once again. Okay, see here, click the token is there. No, we can click the token. Here, my token name is token only, token, and it will be. I will choose never expire, and I will click generate. This is my token. I am just copying my token. Pasting somewhere. This is the my token ID. I will uh, okay. Now I will add this token ID to my AWS credentials because to connect this one, right? Now go to the settings here, go to the credentials, click the global and add credentials, and here secret test. Mm, Here I want to choose SonarCube token because this name only I added in my pipeline. That's why I'm using the same name only. Make sure you also, sorry, in the ID, you also use same name only because same name only I given the my pipeline also. That's why. Same name only I given. So here you can paste the token ID and everything. In description also you can SonarQube token only can give. Token it's everything done and create. Now we can configure the Jenkins dashboard. Okay, go to the settings again. Now we want to configure SonarQube in the Jenkins dashboard. Like now we are just what he did still now we just SonarQube credentials we are configured in the Jenkins dashboard. Now we want configure the Jenkins SonarQube in Jenkins dashboard. That's why go to the systems. We install the plugin, right? SonarQube scanner. Yeah, little bit scroll down. You will get the SonarQube. Yeah, here SonarQube, and you just click the environment variables and here add SonarQube. Here choose Sonar scanner because same name only I given in the my pipeline. If you want to change this, you can change, and after that, where you want to change, I will explain there also. Sonar scanner, and here you give the these details. Yeah, same thing only. You give HTTP and IP address and port number. You can give, and here you give the credentials. This is the credentials and save. Now we configure everything right now. We want to do one more step is to configure the webhook in the SonarCube. Now, what we did still now, uh, SonarCube we configured in the Jenkins dashboard. Now, Jenkins dashboard we want to configure the SonarCube. That's why I go to the webhooks. Okay, done. To administrations, configure, click the webhooks and create. And here name whatever you want to name. I want to do the Jenkins. Jenkins here URL, copy this one, paste it here, and last here you can add Uh, Sonar Cube underscore webhook slash and keep under slash also at the last. This is everything. Check one more time here. SonarQube IP address. Everything is done. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, it's here. Leave it everything and here just create. Now it's done. Now everything is done. Now configure some tools. Go to the Jenkins. Go to the settings. Okay, it's taking some time and go to the Jenkins. Like go to the tools. We install lot many tools, right? We have to configure everything. This is the main step of everything. Go to the JDK. Go to the JDK install. Well, it's not there. Yeah, yeah. JDK install is there. Add it. Here we will give the name. Otherwise, we can wait. One time. Okay. See, select install. Click this one and name. You have to give the JDK. Same name you can give JDK and it's done. Like and here choose install from. Okay, I will choose this one. Yeah. Choose. I think choose 17th version. Choose 17. JDK 17. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay, this setup is done. Now SonarQube. Next, where is Sonar? Yeah, SonarQube scanner is one. Same. And this one. Name Sonar scanner because same name we given the right. Same name only you can give. Sonar scanner. It's done. Now same thing only I am installing. Latest version only. Now it's done. Otherwise, you want to n minus one method also you can follow. Yeah, this one its setup is done. Now install Node.js. Now the Node.js name is Node.js. Okay, okay, I'm installing some. Wait, I will install some direct and install automatic. Wait, directly I will choose. Okay, I will choose the version directly. Which I will choose the three version. Yeah, it's done everything. 32-bit and everything. It's done. Okay, now it is done. Now dependency scanner and check this one. I will choose name is db check db db check. Install automatically. Install from github. and version I will choose same version only, otherwise I will choose this one. And it's everything is done. Now we'll go for Docker also. Here Docker, it's a Docker, and oh, sorry, install from docker.com. Latest one installing. I'm just deleting this one. Okay, and the steps is done. Now we can configure Maven also. Maven installing from Apache, same version only. It's done. And we are not using from this project. Next project we will use the ant also. And SonarQube from MS Builder. Yeah, this one also we will use next project, and this one also we will use the next project. Now, now I think everything setup is done. Now, okay, save it. Okay, now step is we will configure the email services also. That's why we'll go to the mail ID, Gmail. Okay, I will use my this mail ID. Yeah, okay, manage your Google account. Okay, I'll type security. Maybe we can use this. Yeah, first we have to do it the two-step verification. By two-step verification, it's done and everything is done. And now type app password. See, I'm explaining very slowly uh, because you will get the understood. Because next type of projects I will explain very speedily. That's why do these projects. It's very important. This one I'm Jenkins, right? I'm using Jenkins. Simple. I'm just create it, and I will copy this one. I will paste it somewhere. Get done. Okay, now its setup is done. Now go to the Jenkins. Go to the security credentials. Mm, Global. Add credentials. Choose username password only, and paste it here. Everything paste here. Make sure can remove the spaces. It's better, right? Mm. done. Now, sorry, copy. This is the password, right? Yeah. And here, choose your email ID. Okay. Email ID. Thing is done. And ID, email, description also I will email and create. Now go to the settings again. Go to the system. Scroll down. Yeah, this one. Here you can give smtp dot email dot com, gmail.com. You can give the port number is 465 and click advance, and here choose your credential. Pay here, select SSL. So and default script is HTTP and test format. That's why I'm choosing. Okay, I'm just choosing this one only. Mm, Default content. I'm just leaving everything. HTTP. I will choose this one, and you can scroll down a little bit, and you will get the email notification. You just test it. Everything is done or not. Mm, okay. Okay, it's done. You can just type here HTMP dot gmail.com. Okay, click advance and choose user HMTP, and here give your email ID. Gmail.com. It's done. Now here give select SSL, and port number is 465 only. 465 only. And a reply mail also give the same mail ID only. Don't give my mail ID. Give your mail ID. And UTS 8 only I'm choosing. And now test. I will give same my mail ID. And I'm just test configuration. I'm just checking the mail services, everything I set up or not. CL default triggers. I will choose always fail, success, test registered. You can leave it everything. It's just, oh, sorry, some network problem. Wait, I will connect in my mobile data. Yeah, it's everything. It's good. Sorry, guys, some network problem for my side. Wait, I will just check the speed test. Yeah, it's there, everything. Okay. Oh my shit, I have to configure one more time. Yeah, I want to configure one more time. Maybe suddenly the network problem came. Okay, no problem. I will explain one more time. Okay. Give tp dot gmail.com. Port number is 465. Click on settings. Select email ID. Select cell. Leave it as default. Test is HTTPS and remove as everything as default. And triggers always fail, success, and everything. Here, give gmail.com. Click advanced, and here I will choose user as something. I will give my mail ID and password. Here, give one more time your email ID and password. Sorry, guys. Here I will give stcompy dot com. Default leave it and give my mail ID. No spaces. Copy. Pasted. Yeah, it's done. And select S also. And now port number is 465 and reply mail ID. Give this one and test. Fail email. No STMP. Wait, I will configure somewhere I did the mistake. There's a problem. Yeah, mail was successfully sent. Now I will just go and check it my mail IDs. Yeah, this is the test and send three because okay, now it's everything is done. Okay, now save. Everything is done now. Now the main step is now we can create ECR image. We have to set up ECR. We have to set up. Go to the settings. Create new pipeline. ECR Terraform. Choose pipeline. Select this one. Choose. Copy the GitHub link. Go to the ECR. Things done right. Choose Git. It has everything is default and my master branch and remove this one and go to the Jenkins here. Uh, this same code only I'm deploying. Like last video, I explained the code also. Oh, sorry. Copy the path, pasted the path, and save. Just build pipeline and to build, and we can create one more pipeline also for EKS clusters. EKS Terraform. Choose pipeline and here click OK and choose same SCM and here choose Git and Jenkins. Here give the GitHub repository. Copy the GitHub link, paste it here GitHub link, and everything is set up. Is done. Done. Remove this one. Go to the EKS Terraform. I tell you know last video same thing only I am deploying EKS cluster and ECI deploying because only name only changing. I will explain that name and everything also now. Sorry, somewhere I did mistake. And where's the configurations? I choose the GitHub, Git SCM, master. Oh, sorry. Choose Terraform EKS. Copy the path, paste the path. Okay, save and build. Now I will explain the code. Go to the first I will explain the easier. See, Swiggy 222 in this S3 bucket, and there is a it will create one ECR repository, and this folder it will be create on Terraform state file. Is the code uh, Swiggy. This is the repository name, image name, and this is the production level. I'm deploying this image, set up everything, and see, this is the Swiggy 2222, and this file is K8 Terraform state file. It will be installed. It will be stored. This one, US system I am deploying is the IAM role, and I am access admission, full access, PPC access, everything providing, and is the IAM roles, VPC. Entirely, I'm deploying on public subnets because of it's a development, right? This is a project name. Is a project name. Everything it's deploying at the same, and T2 large. I'm using for this project, and three clusters and two nodes. I'm deploying everything. It's the same everything. Okay, it will take time. Once it will be done, I will deploy the main code. Yeah, see, it will take time. Now we want to go and check ECR repository. ECR repository. Okay. This is the Hotstar application last video we deployed. This is the Swiggy. This video we are deploying. This is the image ID. Want to open also you can show this is the image ID. Okay, it's the image ID. It's download. Now once it is done means I will explain the code now. I explain the pipeline, deployment pipeline code also. This is the Jenkins deployment file. Okay. Now first, we install the tools. One is the JDK. We written a name as a JDK, and next is a Node.js. We written as a name as a Node.js. Now, uh, this SonarQube Go, we Sonar Scanner. We written as the same name only. If you want to change the name in the previous list, you can change it your name also. I given in detail here also. In the SonarQube scanner, this is the we written as a SonarQube server. Sonar server in the AWS, sorry, in the Jenkins server also. And this is my account ID. Change it to your account ID. And this is the Swiggy image name. And this is the credentials. And my region is this one. And my image is this one. I will check it one more time. The image is this one or not. See, system.amazon.com. Yeah, image is this one. If you want to just replace your account IDs only, everything gets done, and it will be clear the entire repository, and it will clone this repository. It will shift to the master repository. It will be check files is there or not, and now it will be scan the in the directory of the Swiggy. In this directory, the code is there. It will be check it entirely. It will be scan the code. It will be any errors is there or not. It will be check it, and it will be given to the SonarQube dashboard. I will check the bugs and vulnerabilities and everything. It will be check it. This is the details. No change on this particular block. No need to do any changes in this block. Is everything is a default form. And opacity scanner. Sorry, it's a code quality test. Everything it's the tokens is the dot SonarQube donor. It's the it will be check everything. This the dependencies installing, and cd.ls ls-ls, and this the packet.js file is there. It will be installed, and it will remove the modules, and it will be remove the packages, old packages. It will remove and reinstall the install that npm. It will be installed, and if anything it's there, if package.js file is not there means it will be checked. Install dependencies, it's a fail. In this block it will be still, if it's not there means it will install everything. In now we can go and check it, package.js file, so it's there. And now opacity scanner. I already told, no, this is the 45 minutes it will be take the this opacity scan, because it will be going entirely, it will be checked. See, DP check here, because we given like DP check, your same name only. If you want, if you have changed there, means you have also changed to here also. It will be take minimum 45 minutes. If you don't want, means you can here to here, you can remove the code, no problem. If you don't have time check this, you can remove this five lines, like line number 72 79, we have to remove, no problem. And it will be three file scanner, it will be check entire scanner, and it will give the two files, trivy.fs and trivy.txt files. It will generate two files, and these are no changes on this file also. It will be redirect to the Swiggy applications, it will be build the image. And here also there is no changes on this block, it will be everything is same, and it will be build the image, and it will push the image to the ECR. Here also no changes, it will be again that image, it will be scan it and everything, it will take, and it will give the if there anything errors is there, means it will send to the this file, and it will throw the once more. It will be useless of this step, I already given. If you want to delete it, you can leave it, otherwise you can leave it. And dependencies file comes. This step is everything here, it's done. That image, it will be same image, it will image ID, it will be stored in the dependency checkers. This is my repository name, this is my mail ID, this is my username, and this is the deployment file. Check it, this is the deployment. Wait, I will show you deployment file. See, this is the deployment file. In this deployment file, this is the, see, Kubernetes files, and Kubernetes files in this. See, I have to give GitHub tokens. I will give the GitHub tokens. If I give the GitHub tokens, it will be check it everything. It will be build the image, and after that, post and everything, like Trivy files and dependency checkup files and every files. It will be go to this my mail ID. Just remove my mail ID. Give your mail IDs. Wherever my mail ID is there, you have to replace to your mail ID, and here also your mail ID, and these three files will come to your mail ID, and you can check it. This is the entire setup. Now my main thing is I want to set up my mail ID. Want to set up my GitHub credentials too. Last video I will explain like how to create a GitHub tokens. Same things only, you have to follow everything. And now I will check it. It's everything is done or not. If not, yeah, it will take some time. Meanwhile, I will configure the GitHub credentials. Okay, go to the settings and credentials and settings. Oh, sorry. Credentials, and select secret test, and um, your ID, whatever I given the name ID only. Wait, I will choose my GitHub. Oh, sorry, wait. Copy this one, paste it, and my GitHub tokens. Last video, I created a GitHub tokens. Same thing only I am using. I pasted my tokens. If you don't know how to create, just go and refer that video. And everything is done. I'm just clicking the create. Now its setup is done. Okay, now I will create one more pipeline. Meanwhile, name is Swiggy. Swiggy and same pipeline. Create. I will choose SCM. I will use GitHub account. Copy the account ID. GitHub, GitHub ID and master branch only, and remove the Jenkins files. Here, go to the Jenkins files and go to the Jenkins, copy this path, replace to this path. Okay, now save. I am not building now. Yeah, it's done. Everything is done. Now I will go and check it. EC EKS. Yeah, cluster is created. Now I will go for EC2. Go to instance. Yeah, three EC2 instance is there. One and three. And still now, what at how many steps it will done means this one done. I given all steps here. Don't worry. If you are missed anywhere, you can go and check it down. See, copy this one because it will be verify that it's connecting EKS clusters connecting to the EC2 gem server only. That's why copy this one. Okay. Once again, I am connecting to my EC2 instance. Before the network problem, right? That's why it's disconnected. I'm shifting to the user. Yeah, everything is three instance is there. It's connected to the now my EC2 instance. Now I will I will check Swiggy is there or not. See, Swiggy is there. My previous application is Hotstar. I didn't deleted that one. That's why now it's Swiggy also is there. Now it's everything. It's done. Now we will build pipeline now. Okay, just for go through here because this one it will take uh, 50 minutes because only dependencies only it will take 45 minutes and remaining everything it will take 5 to 6 minutes only because entirely it will take 45 minutes. Wait, I will show you because this entire 45 minutes I don't know, be sure sometime I will skip the video. Once it pipeline will be done, I will explain, I will run the pipeline. Once it is come the dependency checks, I will stop the video record installing tools dependency checks tools I install, right? It will go on checking this one. Yeah, see, dependencies is done, clone the repository is done. Ch- it's clone the repository, scan and list now it's a SonarQube code quality test. It's going on now. See now how many steps it's done. Okay, this step is done. Its files is done now. This step is running. So this step is done and opacity checkup done. And now dependency checkup. It will be take minimum 45 minutes. Opacity checkup. Okay, this step is done. This step also is done. And installing dependencies. It's done. Installing dependencies. It will be take few seconds only. Once it will done, the next step it will minimum take 45 minutes. Minimum it will take it's 45 minutes. After that everything it's easy only. Okay, now okay, it's done. Opacity scan. It will be take minimum 45 minutes. I'm skipping sometime video. Okay. Yeah, see opacity scan. It take only 23 minutes only. And Trivy it's done. And Docker image also it's done. And ECR repository also it's pushed. And now it's Trivy again. It's scanning. See everything. It's done. It's taken on less than unable to find dependency checks reports on pages. Something it's the fail on dependency checks. Because otherwise it will take minimum 45 minutes. Because I stopped. It downloaded all dependency checks. There was some latest Java application all downloaded. It's downloaded. That's why it's getting some errors. We can work on it. That one we can once go and check that one, and we can work on it. The opacity scan, no problem. It's not that much of important. It's okay. I can do it. That one. Okay. And latest image also it's done. Latest image also it's done. Like I will go and check it. Okay. It's mail also it's get it now. First we have to go and check this one it's image or pushed or not. If it is pushed or not, we'll check it. Yeah, yeah, it's pushed. See, one because of it's a build number one. That's why image one. Now this step is done. Now Trivy scan is done successfully. There is a once opacity scanner. There is somewhere mistake is done. I can fix it or later also. There's a small issue also. I can show it that down also. S- Build fail because of exit of code 13. Unable to update one and more local data instead result may be for see error updating to the NVIDIA data. It's I got it this one where the exact problem is that it's a no problem. It's a very small problem. I can fix it and remaining everything is done right. We can no problem. And it's done this one done. Latest image also is deployed. Now we can go for GitHub and we can check it the image it's updated or not. Kubernetes files. The updated Swiggy image version 1. Previous is this one and now it's this one. It's updated everything. It's done. Now we can go and check the mail ID also. Just refresh it. Some like uh, pipeline it's failed. Wait, I will check it once again. Go to the settings. Everything is done. That mail only or best scan only. It's not done. Here triggers we are in selected. Okay, I will rebuild this one. I will rebuild later once my code is updated later on. Once because the image is everything is done. The say opacity scanner only it's failed. Okay, I can deep check it one more time. It's okay, leave it everything. And now we will install the Argo CD in Argo CD. Now we will install the Argo CD and now we can do it. Okay, now open this one. Yeah. Okay, now we will install the Argo CD. Okay, it's exit. Okay, I will reconnect it once more time, and now we will deploy the Argo CD. Okay, I'll do one thing. Once I will check it my blog exactly where the dependencies I face the problem. Right. So, dependency check, DB check. It's everything. It's good. 12.0.2. I will once check it. Which one I will choose? Go to settings, system, operating tools. Go to the edit. Oh shit. 12.0.2. I checked the wrong dependencies. I installed wrong one. 12.0.2. Now I will save and I will apply. Maybe that is the issue. Okay, now I will rerun the pipeline once. Maybe if I will check it. The problem, everything is done. The problem is that the file path only it's not there. Like if you go and check it the stages, everything is done. It's showing only see pushing dependency checkup results in this file is not unable to find the dependency checks report first. I think this file is missing. That's why maybe the choose the wrong one. Okay, I will rebuild one more time. Maybe the problem it will be solved now. I think now this time it will not take that much of time. It will take less time only because every dependency is also installed, right? See, 4 is 22 minutes. Now it's 17 seconds. Now it will take less time only. Okay, meanwhile, I will install ArgoCD. Why don't you waste that? Okay, okay. I created a namespace and now I'm installing ArgoCD. And next, I'll check it's running or not. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, everything is running now. Now I want to custom IP to load balancer. I want to just get this one. Next, I want to copy this one. Load balancer, save and exit. Yeah, it's done. The load balancer of Argo CD. Copy this one. Paste it in the browser. Yeah, it will take in 2 minutes time. It will take 2 minutes time. And once it will done, we'll check the passwords and everything, and we will deploy the application. But main thing it's we have to do this one. Okay, I'll wait some time. I'll check it. I hope this time it's everything. It's good. And the problem is not in version. Maybe I'll check it once again. There is a collecting dependency checks. There's a problem. Is there? Okay. Okay, we can fix the. There's no problem. Only the problem is on dependency check only. Okay, we can fix that issue later on. Maybe there's some problem is there. Okay, we can leave it this part. Okay, there is some many problems is there. Okay, sending the mail to the hmm, sending mail to the shwan.armol@gmail.com. And with this report, in this report, we will get that where the exact problem is there. Based on that, we can open it and we can fix this one. Echo. See, this file is not founded. That's why only it's getting this kind of errors. Okay, we can no problem. Okay, okay, we can do it later. We can just refresh this one to advance. Now, once we deploy the application, or later on we can check that kind of issues where the dependency problem only they can fix it. I can fix that one. Okay, now we can check the password. We paste it and sign in. It's a dev environment. Project name is default and automatic. GitHub repository. Copy the path Kubernetes files and choose Kubernetes default namespace is dev. It's a development, right? Now, before that, we have to do one step development we created, right? Wait 1 minute, I will go and check it. You have to do create the namespace dev. Yeah, namespace is created dev. And go just create. Okay, health check it's done. Now open this one. Go to the EC2. Yeah, okay, no problem. Load balancers came. Copy the load balancer. Wait for some time. Go load balancers. Yeah, copy this one. Wait for 2 minutes. It will be loading. I think. We will refresh one more time. Yeah, because of it's loading the site. That is the problem only. Now wait one more time. I will also this refresh this one. Yeah, it will take time 2 to 3 minutes only. Everything it's fine. This is the Swiggy application finally we deployed. And what is the next step? Monitoring. Okay, done. Okay, load balancer set. Okay, we will add a row 53. Also same last time how we added the row 53, same like that only. Uh, Swiggy row 53. And okay, now I will show you the Sonar Cube. It, see zero bugs, vulnerability zeros, and everything is zero. See, this is the Sonar Cube code quality test, and everything is done. Overall code, everything. There's no errors. Is there in the Sonar Cube? Everything is fixed, and SonarQube is done. Now it's monitoring. This is the monitoring deployment side. Same last video how we deploy. But last video I didn't explain like monitoring stuff. Now I will explain monitoring stuff. Create a namespace. Okay. Create Prometheus and Grafana. It's installing. Successfully installed. Now install Prometheus Grafana. It's in now previously installed the Helm charts. Now it's Prometheus and Grafana. And now I want to check it's everything it's running or not. It will take 1 minute. Everything is fine. Only the one issue is opacity scan. I can fix this one later on. That one, maybe somewhere I wrongly configured the details. Maybe that is the issue. If you follow the document, maybe you will didn't get the issues because I am not following the documents. That is the issue. Once you follow the documents, maybe you didn't get this kind of issues. Yeah, see, everything it's running. Because I know the all steps, right? That's why I didn't follow the steps. Maybe if you follow the steps, maybe somewhere I wrongly configure. That is the issue. It's not issue. Copy the load balancer. Okay. Setup is done. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Meanwhile, I want to do same like Prometheus also. It's the alert manager setup. Okay, I want to access Prometheus. Copy this one. If you follow this document, you will get better clarity because I know because last video I explained in detailly. That's why I'm not explaining this much of clarity. Mainly, I'm following only main steps only. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay. So Grafana, it will take same like it will reload it 1 minute. After that, it will come and same like this one also Prometheus also because it will load 1 minute, 2 minutes. After that, it will show the dashboard. You have to wait some time. Patience is most important. Patience is important. Wait for some time. Same this one also like this one. Admin password is this the password. Copy. I didn't copy it properly. Username is admin. Yeah, login. Before I didn't copy it properly. That's why. Uh, Oh, this one it will take again. Wait for 1 minute. I think I didn't allow the port number. Maybe that is the issue. Oh, I got it. Yeah, port number is 9090. Now I got it. Actually, what I did know, port number 9090, I didn't allowed because in here I didn't allow the port number in the EC2 instance. Maybe that is the issues. See, there's a no errors. Is there no alerts? Is there? That is the issue. Yeah, everything is done. See, there's a no issues. Is there? Slow. It's a Grafana rules and everything. There's only one failure. Fail is there. That one is I sure no. That is a alert watch dashboard. Everything it's fine. Now we can check it that everything. Grafana. There is a I think it's a low instance, right? Maybe there are one pod is the failed. That is the issue, and we can check that. No, now I will edit this one. Right, it's better. Now I mentioned is the port number is 90800. I will edit this one. Maybe everyone will be confused. Edit story. Oh, I forgot it to allow the port number. Here alert manager also is there. You can you want to do pager duty means also you can configure the pager duty also. Is a no problem. How to you don't know how to configure the pager duty means you can go and refer my videos. Here I already mentioned everything. Okay, that is the one problem is there. Now you can go and check it the dashboards. Is the dashboards everything. is the Prometheus alerts. See, for instance, ArgoCD dev is I deployed in the dev environment, right? See, it's the dev environment cube still monitoring everything is there. See, total is running. For instance, is running everything. It's the default. If you want to change to the Prometheus, see, this the games in the Prometheus. You want to create the custom dashboards also. I given the just create the new dashboard. Add variations. Choose Prometheus. Here you can run the query as a dashboards also. Otherwise, you can do it like export also. Okay. See here, import is there. No, you can click the import. Here you can JSON file also can give it. Like I already given some JSON files. No, this is the entire. Also, see, this is the some Grafana JSON file. See here, everything is I already given. You can directly can copy this one and can you can download it this one directly. Download this one. Okay, just open this done. Go to the downloads. Okay, everything is done. Select Prometheus as a default. Import to show the dashboards. See, this is the network load. How much network is load is there, and everything hits the loads. CPU load and everything is CPU node. No, because this is the only what I clone is the only network only. You want all means you can go for all also. Like I given all also here. See, just import this one, add this one, add these three. Want this is a 315 is a entire things. It's a matrix one. 315 you want means can go and check it also. Okay, I created one more dash. I will create new dashboard and here dashboards. Create new dashboard. Uh, say 315. Click load. Choose completeness. Import. See, this is the network. Everything is there. Like, see, is everything all dashboards. See, this is the all CPUs loads and everything. See how much load is going on the application and everything. See, it will be data will be slowly. It will grow. And this is the pods and everything. See, is the container memory user like how many Dockers the lines of this all processor of the memories like lot many things you can monitor also. See, it's the Grafana dashboards and prepares the duties and everything is there, right? See, container network and everything you can monitor here also using all 315. Like lot many things here there you want to monitor individually like node exporter you want to monitor like everything nodes you want to monitor the nodes means you can monitor the node CPU modes like this is the EC2 instance like we have three EC2 instance right we can like see how much load it's came and everything you can monitor based on that it's a default one Like lot many dashboards is there. You want to create the custom dashboards means you can go to my GitHub repository. I already given lot many customs. You can just copy these loads and you can. Otherwise, you can no need to do this one. You have to just 3662 is numbers is there. No, you can just copy the numbers and you can paste it there and you can click the load. Same file only it will generate it. This one. Mm. This see is the 9614, right? I will type this one. Okay, import. Oh, sorry, 9614. Click load. Just it's a no Nginx. This one. See how data will be shown. Want to choose like namespaces and everything. All choose it. This one. It will be show the data. It will be slowly. No problem. See here there is a instance is there. Like if you want like last 90 days means it will show the last 90 days. You want to just refresh and you want to just refresh it also it's the problem is there and you want the nginx like what you want like it will show everything based on that. You can follow this document you will get the better like if you deploy the multiple projects also you can do same only and this the nginx part is done. These are kubernetes fist file is there because this error is the one because of I want to show you the error that's why only I particularly I given this error a small mistake I done like um because of I deployed the full stack application, right? This is the Kubernetes system scheduler. I didn't apply it, and one more thing is I deployed only 4 pods only because in 4 pods its entire application is not done. That's why it's a critical and cube schedule. It's no problem if you increase the new pod it automatically it will go and check it. See it's a kubernetes system kibana pods everything is done and kubernetes system controller also it's the problem from it's a list name of problems it's a no problem that is a very small issues we can there's a no impact. See everything it's going on good and come to the status also triggered health check also it's everything it's good. See health checks also everything is done like my application is no problem you can load it's a total 4 load balancers four pods it's running. If one pod will be deleted automatically one more pod also it will be created. I will show you the pod. I will delete one pod and it's automatically it will uh, create one more pod also. So forgot it force to delete and see I will delete this one also. See two I deleted and I'm just refreshing. See it's automatically it's again it's creating and same this one also if you are EC2 instance it's a three EC2 instances if I deleted one EC2 instance the application also is still running. Application also it will still again after some time the new EC2 instance it will be create. See I'm just terminating this EC2 instance so you can wait for some time. It will be create one more EC2 instance and see the pods how it's created right. Wait one. See cloud to the load balancer or load balancer to the application to this one. If you want to delete this one also problem it automatically see see previously I deleted this pod and again one more pod is created. Now if I deleted this pod and it will create one more pod also. See I deleted this one. See it's loading. and it will create one more pod also. Hmm. Mm, because same pod only, as if I deleted one more pod, forcefully delete. See, pod is deleting and create within fraction of seconds only. It's coming one more time, and it's the same here also. You will get one more pod immediately. One more instance. See, one, two, three. See, it's created one more immediately. It's terminated and it's created one more thing like that. The application is still is running. The application is still is running. You have no problem like this, like monitoring and everything stuff. It's done. I hope you got the clarity, like entire applications. There's a problem. Only one thing is the pipeline. It's the pipeline. And see, the problem is opacity scan. Like somewhere I did the mistake. Like I didn't configure the properly. Like it's a in the pipeline. I clearly I mentioned like uh, is in pipeline. In the pipeline, see, I clearly it's mentioned like it's stored to the dependency dot check in the DB check. I clearly it's mentioned, but in somewhere as the at that configuration in the Jen, uh, Jenkins, I didn't properly configure because of I didn't following the document. You follow the document like you first watch the video on do the practice and everything. Mostly you didn't get the opacity scan because it's of time waste issues. There's no useless on the development. See, dependency scan will be usually only on uh, production level only, because why I explained means this one. So, still now I did everything in the production level projects only. My it's everything I got the everyone will get the clarity now. My next upcoming projects everything in production level. I deploy the full stack applications like uh, uh, two databases and front end back ends and everything. I'm thinking to deploy one library application or forget application, all serverless application. I'm thinking to this kind of applications to deploy. Okay, it's everything is good. See, I'm expecting this video 1K likes and 500 subscribers. See, most of members are just watching the video and not subscribing the videos. See, if you're subscribing, means I will get some boost up. And that's if you like the content means you can subscribe. Otherwise, you can don't subscribe. Everything is done. Okay, the problem is only this one only. If it is I know how I can figure things done. I didn't properly. Okay, this maybe next video I can properly it's copied this one. This one. Okay, this application it's entirely running, and I didn't configure the root 53 also. Okay, it's a very small thing. Root 53. Last video I created the root 53 also. Okay, this is my domain. Make sure if you have completed this root 53, delete root 53, because this root 53 will be per day 0.50 dollars. It will it will be cutting like $1 or half dollar. It will be cut it every one day. Um, okay, my is application load balancer, and this region is US East one, and load balancer is 766. Okay, it's done. Select it. Oh, sorry. I configure this load balancer. Wait, I'll type it properly. AF. I read this one. Save. Lot many load balancers. That is the I confused. Copy this one. AF27. Application load balancer. US East 1. AF27. Yeah, copy this one. Yeah, this is our application. Finally, it's deployed. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, connect me in LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn account. This is my LinkedIn account. You just connect, and if you have any doubts, you just reply. Or if you want to do any kind of projects, means you can just explain it, and you can do it. Or if you want to do the project in my YouTube channel, also you can message me. I can freely to accept. Okay, and everything it's done. Okay, this is our application. Finally, we deployed Swiggy application through the ArgoCD. Now it's successfully deployed. Okay, guys, next week I will come with one interesting project to deploy with large scale of application with Ingress. Okay, okay, bye bye.